Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madam.
Bonjour. Yeah, today's class learn numbers. Okay, today we are going to learn about numbers in French language. Okay, so come to this lesson. Yeah, lay numbers. Numbers means numbers only. Okay, start with 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Next number is UN, 1. UN, 1. Ending consonant is silent. Ending consonant is silent. Only vowel is pronounced. UN, UN, 1. Next number is the, DEUX, the, DEUX. Ending consonants silent. Okay, so DEUX, the, 2. Next number is trois, TROIS, trois. Trois means 3. Trois means 3. Repeat. Trois. Trois means
3.
3. Very good. Come again. One more time. 0.
0.
The.
Trois.
Trois. Very good. Up to 3 over na. Next number is quatre. QUATRE. Quatre means 4. Quatre means 4. Okay. Now come to next number. Cinq. CINQ. Cinq means 5. CINQ. Cinq means 5. Repeat.
Cinq.
CINQ. Cinq. Cinq means 5. Next number is six. 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 Here X is Z sound only. But in English and French both are same spelling, but pronunciation is different. Okay. Six. Repeat.
Six.
SIX. Six. Next number is Sept. SEPT. Set. P silent here. Set. SET. Okay. Just you pronounce Set. Repeat. Set. 7. Okay.
7.
Next number is 8. Pronunciation is with. H silent in French language na. Already I told you. Okay. H silent here. So what is the spelling here? UIT. With. UIT with. Okay. So spelling is HUIT. Pronunciation is with. Very good. Now come to next number. Na. NEUF. Na means 9. NEUF. Na. Come again.
Nuff.
Very good. Now come to next number. 10. What is the spelling? DIX. These. DIX. These means 10. These means 10. Very good. Now come to next number is owns. ONZE. Owns. ONZE. Owns means 11. Come again.
11.
ONZE. Owns. Repeat with me in French. Okay. Owns. ONZE. Owns. Very good. Next number is douze. 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 Okay. DOUZE. Douze. Repeat with me. Douze. 12. Okay. Next number is 13. TREIZE. 13. Repeat.
13.
TREIZE. 13. 13. 13 means 13. Next number is Cathros. Cathros. Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E. Cathros. Cathros. Cathros means 14. Repeat here. Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E.
Z-E.
Cathros.
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 Yes. Next number is 15. How to write this one?
Kens.
Kens. Q-U-I-N-Z-E. Kens. Q-U-I-N-Z-E. Kens.
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 Yes. 15. Next number is says. S-E-I-Z-E. Says. S-E-I-Z-E. Says. Says means 16. Okay. Now come to 17. These saith. These means, what is the meaning of these?
10.
Very good. What is the meaning of saith?
7.
7. 10 plus 7, 17. So, these saith. Come again. These saith. These saith. Very good. Now, come to next number is these with. These means
10.
10. Very good. With means
8.
8. 10 plus 8.
18.
These with 18. These with 18. Very good. Now come to next number is 19. These nuff. These means
10.
very good. Nuff means
9.
9. These nuff means 19. 10 plus 9, 19. Repeat these three again. These saith, 17.
17.
These with, 18.
These with 18.
These nuff, 19.
These nuff 19.
19. Very good. So, these three different spellings, that's why you can remember. Next number is van.
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 V-I-N-G-T. Van. V-I, you can pronounce like this. Half of the N sound you can pronounce. Remaining consonants silent here. Remaining consonants silent. That's why I can pronounce van.
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 Yes. 20. Okay. So up to 20, better go and learn like this only. You remember one more logic is here. 11 to 16. 11 to 16 ending with ZE. You remember this one. Ending with ZE. Owns, dos, ZE. Tres, ZE. Cathros, ZE. Kens, ZE. Says, ZE. Okay? You remember this one. Okay? Don't do any spelling mistakes. Okay? 20 over na. Next I will give small explanation for you. Next we are going to learn up to 50 na. So I will give the round figures. 20, 30, 40, 50. Just listen. 1. Already you learned this one. 1 means 20. 1 means 20. Tront. 30.
30.
30. Tron means 30. Next one. Keront. Keron means 40.
40.
Keron means
40.
40. Next one. Sankont. Sankon means 50. Sankon means 50. Better repeat one more time. Van means
20.
repeat. Van means
20.
Tron means
30.
Keron means
40.
Sankon means
50.
50. Okay. Very good. So, you can remember round figures. We will write up to 50. Okay, 59. Actually, you can write 59. How to write? Now, go and practice now. Before that, I will give one note for you. When we are writing 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, up to 61, we are using ET. ET. What is the meaning of ET? ET means and. ET means and. Okay. You can use this one. How to write the 21? 21. Vanton a. VINGT. Van means
20.
20. A means
1.
1. Van a. 20 plus 1. Van.
Vanton a.
Between these two, you can write ET. 20 and 1. 20 and 1. That means 21. Okay. Only once ending numbers only you can write ET. Okay. Ending with one number. 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, like this. These all numbers use when you are writing the spelling. Use this ET. ET means and. ET means and. 20 and 1, 30 and 1, 40 and 1, 50 and 1, 60 and 1, like this. Okay. You remember these spellings. Okay. Now we write down here. 21. Vanton a. 31. How to write the 31? Tronton a. 41.
Quaranton a.
Quaranton a. Quaranton a. Next 51.
Cinquanton a.
Cinquanton a. Sorry. Cinquanton a. So 51. You can write like this. Only for one ending letters only you can use ET. ET. Okay. So how to write 22? 22, how to write this one? Any guesses? Van. How to write 22? Van.
Do.
Vandu. Very good. Why? ET only for one ending letters only you can use. 20 and 1. But 22 you can write van the. Van the. Van the. Okay. DEUX. Van the means 22. Okay. Like this, remaining all the numbers up to 29 you can write. If you know the numbers a, da, tra, kat, like this, all the numbers write down. 21. Van toa. 22. Van da. 23. Van trois. 24. Van quatre. 25. Van cinq. 26. Van six. 27. Van sept. 28. Van with. 29. Van neuf. Up to 29 you can write. Okay. Now look at the chart. What is 29? 21? How to pronounce this one? Van ton a. Van ton a. Okay. Actually, first word ending with consonant. Second word starting with vowel. Ending consonants maximum silent, na? Normally you can pronounce 20 just like this one. Van. Van. Van means G and T both are silent here. But after this word we can use vowel, na? If it is vowel is there, and that time T is adding to E. T is adding to E. When we are adding this one, pronunciation time T is adding to E. And that time how to pronounce this one? Van, te, a. T silent here. as usual. Ending consonant na. Ending consonant silent here. Vanton a. Vanton a. This is liaison. Again here one vowel is there. Yes na. So T also adding here. Pronunciation time. Vanton a. Vanton ta. Okay. Vanton ta. So N silent here. How to pronounce this one? Repeat. Van, ton, na. Okay. Next. What the next number? 22. How to pronounce this one? Van, da.
The.
Van, da.
Van.
Van, da. Next. Next number. Van,
Van. Trois.
trois.
Van. Trois.
Repeat.
Van. Trois.
Trois. Very good. Next number.
Van. Quatre.
Repeat.
Van. Quatre.
Repeat.
Van. Quatre.
Very good. Now next number.
Van. Cinq.
Next number.
Van. Cinq.
Very good. Next number.
Van. Six.
Van is very good. Next number.
Van. Sept.
Very good. Next number.
Van. Huit.
Van with. Next number.
Van. Neuf.
Next number.
Trente.
Trente. You remember? Next number is trente. Trente.
Trente.
Next number.
Trente un.
Trente. One is ending with one. That's why I can write et. Middle of trente middle you write down et. Understand? Okay. Repeat one more time.
Trente un.
Trente. Okay. Trente. Next one. Next number.
Trente.
Trente. Very good. Trente. Next number.
Trente-trois.
Trente-trois. Trente-trois. Trois means 3. Trente means 30. You have to observe this one. This is trois. This is trente. 3, 30. Okay. This is 3. This one is 30. 33. Okay. You can identify the spelling. What is the spelling of trente?
Trente.
Trente. Very good. Trente. Trois spelling?
Trois.
Trois. Very good. Trente-trois. Next number is trente-quatre. Trente-quatre. 30 plus 4. 34. Next trente-cinq. Trente-cinq. 35. Next number
Six.
trente-six. Very good. Trente-six. 36. Trente-sept. Trente-sept. 37. Very good. Next number trente-huit. 38. Next number
Trente-neuf.
trente-neuf. 39. Next number
Quarante.
40. 40. Next number
Quarante-un.
very good. Here one is there. One before you can write et. One before you can write et. That's why quarante-un. Next number is quarante-un. Okay. Next. What next number? Quarante. 42. Next number? Quarante-trois. Okay. Quarante-trois. 43. Next number is? Quarante-quatre. 44. Next number? Quarante-cinq. 45. Next number? Quarante-six. 46. Next number? Quarante-sept. 47. Next number? Quarante-huit. 48. Next number? Quarante-neuf. Repeat. Quarante-neuf. Very nice. Last number is cinquante. Repeat. Cinquante. Okay. Up to 50 over dear. Have any doubts?
No, madam.
Okay, go on practice up to 50. Tomorrow we'll start 50 to 100. Okay, we'll complete now. Over.
Oh, madam.
Over.